Dorrigo, mate. She's up there.
Anyway, I need to make one point. Snakes don't run, they slither because they've got no legs.
See what trouble we can get into. We're just set up. We've come across from the west, from the farm stay, and we're just outside Dorrigo. It's a 15-minute on Shanks's pony. We're staying at this beautiful little house. It's a bomb. Lola owns this property, and it's one of those hip cap things where you pay a few bucks, get to stay here. We paid a little bit more. We're the only people here. Sweet cottage, power, water. The ride over here was mad. It's just like green, like you'd see back in the old country, or if you're in Ireland, you'd get it. Look at that. Can you all see that? It's a sty. We're down in the back corner. We're getting plenty of sun, but there's power and water. And no one else here. All you can hear is the beck, stream, river, creek, whatever you all want to call it. And we're set up, and there you go. It's mad. Irises, I think that's wild ginger, and some stairs. So I'll talk. Goodness, what's that? Oh no. Hopefully it wasn't Billy the Black Snake. But yeah, it's beautiful. So we got about 5 days here. Beautiful farm, some beautiful cows, it's a beautiful stream, everything's beautiful. Just did the skywalk. You can see the coast from where we are. We are in the rainforest, just out from Dorrigo. We're about 5-10 minutes, if that, from our camp. Just exploring. Whew. Sort of lush rainforest, and at the back of us is just this beautiful farmland. Dairy cows. It's good up here. The bubba.
Yeah, fantastic.
Yeah, it's the bomb. That here, this big leaf with all the holes in it, that's the giant wild stinging tree. And when you look up through the canopy, if you see those big heart-shaped leaves with all the holes in them, that's what that is. And they're beyond the floor, and they've got really fine silica hairs all over them, so you don't want to be picking them up, and you certainly don't want to be using them as a TP substitute if you're out in the bush and you get caught short, if you know what I mean. The mound behind me, scrub turkey nest. So pile all the leaf litter up and bury there, I think it's one egg, don't know, Egg gets buried in there. Male comes along, checks the temperature, I think, with his beak. If it's too hot, puts more on. If it's too cold, scrapes some off. Apparently they're the dumbest bird in town, but anyway. It's big. It's got to be 3 meters, 3 or 4 meters around. That is about a 3.5 foot red-belly black snake, and he's flattened out, not because he's aggressive. He knows we're here. He's just getting some sun. He's warming up. It's a rainforest. So he's just getting himself some UVs, power up that little energy box that he is. So he knows we're here. So what we're going to do is we're going to leave him. We're just going to skirt through. Lee's going to go around the inside of me. Come on, Lee. So there we are. We'll just enjoy him for what he is. Just watch him. There you go. He's all good. So we're well out of his way, and he can get away if he wants to. He'll go straight ahead. So that was a red-belly black snake, as we sort of thought might happen in the rainforest, because they're cool and dark. As soon as there's a pocket of light, they'll be out regenerating that energy and warmth that they've lost overnight. So you know that you're in Australia, you're going to see snakes, so you just stop, have a look at them. What's their demeanour? Are they looking agitated? This one's just warming up, you know that. So we just give him a wide berth, knowing that if they want, the first thing they're going to do is run. The only second red-bellied black snake I've seen
In the wild.
Beg your pardon, we're filming here, mate. What's up with that?
Anyway, I need to make one point. Snakes don't run. They slither because they've got no legs. So he can't run away. He has to slither away.
Semantics. See what I have to put up with, viewers? Just in town, do a bit of business, pick up a black coffee, because we like our road coffee. It's just after 9 o'clock, bright sunny day, little bit of rain last night.
It's an eclectic group of people here, I must say.
I like it.
Yeah, me too, very much.
It's got a real nice feel. Anyway, we're off for a 40 odd K journey, but no one asked that could turn into 400. We've just turned off the bitumen, we're hitting the gravel. Sign behind us, it's probably a little bit dark, sun's right over my shoulder. But we're going to, and I'll turn around and I'll read it. This is the Moonpah Forest Drive, part of the New South Wales Parks and Wildlife system. Anyway, we're going to see what the road's like. We might have to adjust the tyre pressures. Sorry about the clatter, clatter, clatter. What do you got there, Lee? Got some blurb?
Trees easily seen from the Norman Jolly Memorial Grove and along the walking tracks.
There you go. Old growth forest, giant tallowood trees, timber history, tramline ruins. So where are we?
We're down
you were here.
So we're going to go up.
Blah, blah, blah. Cascade, Brixwell, Megan. Well, I don't know if you'd be able to bring your caravan down here, but anyway.
No,
maybe
mostly dirt.
Maybe a camper. Mostly dirt. Got a JB Gator X. Right. Let's see what trouble we can get into. It's another beautiful day in the rainforest. Crystal Vale Falls is on the agenda today. We started out the other day and like we do, no food, no sunblock, no bug dope, no sticks, no water. So we cancelled it real early because Force Marches, Foreign Legion's got nothing on us when we get going. So today we're back in the rainforest. It's a lovely Saturday, every day Saturday when you're retired. So we're going to see what we can see today. The other walk was awesome. We saw snakes and lizards, lots of birds. And here we go, we'll see what we see. Yeah.
Tally ho.
Tally ho. There you go. Awesome.
More walking, looking and listening to the forest. It was a beautiful walk.
That's us under the waterfall. Woohoo. What is it? What was that called?
Yes.
Yeah, it's a waterfall.
I'll put the name in.
Yeah, we've just been behind a waterfall. It's super nice. It's going to be a long trek getting back up because
It's a long way down.
it's a long way down. But that was super cool.
Yeah.
So the suspension bridge, which leads you to and from Crystal Vale Falls in the Dorrigo National Park. Did I say forest? In my worst Sean Connery. That's neat. Here comes the super steep long walk. We take our time. So it's a big skink and he's just basking in the shade of this log. He'll be right in the middle. I hope you can pick him up. He's just looking at me. He's a big one. Fat as butter.
His tiny little cousin.
Oh. Here we go.
We did it.
Yeah, we did it. It's from the Glades car park and picnic area down the bottom's about 40-50 minutes if you just go slow. And we did it in a roughly the same. So, look, if you leave yourself 2 hours, you've got plenty of time to get down there. Look, you could probably sprint down there in 30 minutes, get your Insta shot, then sprint back up, depending on your fitness level. That ain't us. Hey, it's really cool, isn't it? You can get behind
I'm so
it.
pleased we did it.
You'll see in the footage. It's really nice. What a great morning. Now I think it's, what's it? I think it's pie and a pint time. Where are we?
Griffith Mountain Lookout.
Griffith.
Check out the view.
Yep. You don't want to see our faces, so we'll have a quick chat. We've just come up from the waterfall and not many people come here now because there's a skywalk at the info centre.
You're going to have to wash it now. You got cow snot on it.
Yeah, pretty much. What a scratch. Okay. Now I'll have to clean the cow snot off my lens and my and my dead cat.
As we take our leave of Dorrigo and wind our way down the Waterfall Way towards our next stop, we remember a very pretty town, a great host at our property stay, and the lovely lush bush around the Dorrigo National Park. Please subscribe, like and share our videos with your friends and neighbours. Until next time, Take care.